doing a bit of degreasing on the stout engine. A bit of scrubbing. Done a bit of degreasing now, just doing a bit of scrubbing. Yeah, I know most people use a gurney, but yeah, we've got a gurney, but it's sticking in off the side of the road, needs a bit of work. We're going that pleasure. Yeah, I'll come back to you a bit later with showing you a bit more results when it's a little bit better. Chop it into a couple of it, chop it into the one right there. Come up a little bit better anyway. Still needs a little bit of a going over, but for a degreasing and a scrubbing, it hasn't come up too bad so far. This side, got the manifolds a bit, and so to get the look at the engine back together. Looking pretty clean. Not clean as it was anyway. All the components and grease and that off. Bit hard behind the fan, but I've done the best I can. Yeah, see the, I think it's brakes on there, isn't it? Filter, spark plugs, carburetor's all covered up over the other side, keep it protected. So yeah, it's what up there, just cleaning at the moment. I just got down today and cut a bit of metal out of here. And try and read that part out. It's got the way down there. Just got a bit of restoration to do there. Mostly though, like, you know, there's a bit of door seal. A bit of door seal, a bit of stuff done. Mostly surface rust on the back. Same deal, mostly surface rust. Just a lot of surface rust clean up, but he started to clean up here. You see it from here. Come up a lot better, and then get all the most of the rust off, and then you can rust converter on it, which will bring it a bit like the white at the front here. See at the front there, the white. A bit like that there. So yeah, so see how it brings up the white and that paint through. That's a rust converter to bring it through. So. Alright, so hope you enjoyed a bit of a late video. Had a few struggles, a few things going on, so but yeah, here's a video finally.